mental block ako. Anong klaseng fulfillment ba ang nararamdaman mo as a director compared to being an actor and a producer? And would you like to be called Direk Alden now instead of just Alden?
Uy. Well, the fulfillment from this is, I would just like to let the industry know na ito po yung nagawa ng industriya sa akin as an individual. Sana rin po with all the young generation starting now, sana ganun nyo rin itrato yung trabaho nyo dito sa industriya natin. We are given a once-in-a-lifetime platform to be public figures, to be inspiration to a lot of people. And we have to utilize and maximize our tenure in this industry with worthwhile commitments. So, yun po, ito po yung way ko to give back to the industry. Hindi po ako tumigil matuto. Hindi po ako tumigil na my only question every achievement or recognition that I get in this industry is what's next. I don't dwell in the recognition or the hype that I've had in the past. Because minsan kasi di ba yung iba, I always get to ask this question, oh, sobrang successful mo na, parang happy ka na dyan, parang di ba pwede ka na magpahinga. Mga kaibigan ko po nagsasabi sa akin. Parang wala rin naman yung kinaiba sa mga artista or actors na bumilip sa sarili. Yung mga, or not only actors, but in people in general na masyado ng, I don't know, conceited ba yung term doon na parang, hindi, kaya ko na to. Okay na. Ano na to, basic na sa akin to. That's the death of learning. That's the death of progress. And that's the death of your journey. So, hindi lang po ako tumigil talaga. I'm always hungry for learnings, experiences, feelings, emotions. Always hungry for that. There are times, syempre, na minsan hindi rin tayo okay. But, yun nga. Ba't ko ba ito sinimulan? Ba't ko ba sinimulan yung career ko dito? And all of the things that's happening right now. And this year is gonna be my 15th year sa December in the industry. And hindi ako mapapagod to give more and to give back to the industry with how I live my life as an actor. So, ano yung second question mo? Dami yung sinasabi.
Okay. Pero in your future directorial jobs, will you always be an actor-director or pwede ka rin director lang?
Depending on the project, ma'am. Kung hindi, kasi I have to be honest, it's very taxing. It's very demanding to be of 3 hats in one project. But masaya siyang gawin kasi napupush ko yung sarili ko sa limits. Kumbaga, I was in constant debate with myself every day since I started filming this project. It's never easy. And but siguro kung possible po and kung pagkakatiwalaan po and makahanap tayo ng worthwhile projects, I would really consider to be, depende po kasi, pwedeng director lang. Gusto ko rin naman matry yan. I've tried the 3. Nakapag-produce na po kami ng mga movies as producer. Meron ng producer-actor, meron ng producer-actor-director, wala pang producer-director or wala pang director lang. So gusto ko rin pong experience all those things and then, yun na natin. Kasi masayang paglaruan yung opportunities. Not paglaruan in a bad sense, though, but play with it for progress and for learning. So I think that's what I'm excited about.
Well said. Thank
Hello
you.
guys, congratulations to the cast and of course kay Direk Richard. And one word to describe this film, to all the cast know, and bakit nila kailangan panoorin.
Relevance. Because I'm relevant. Hindi. Because we know kung bakit siya relevant. Kung bakit siya kailangan panoorin ngayon. Kaya kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, kailangan gumawa pa tayo siguro ng mas marami pang ganito. It's not just a film na kumbaga tuturuan ka lang kung ano dapat mong gawin. It's a ride na sasakyan mo. Tapos, marirealize mo na lang, pumasok na pala sa iyo yung message. So, in that sense, I think it's relevant. It's not easy to look at what we're experiencing right now. It's very hard for everyone, but we have to. So, let's keep pushing for what's right and what we deserve. Saka part 2. Hindi naman nagmamadali, di ba?
Siguro for me, fearless. Na, in the sense na like si Attorney Roman, parang he had to be fearless kung gusto niya talagang malaman at makuha yung truth and yung justice na gusto niya. Which, sana, hopefully, kapag pinanood natin yung film na to, all of us would have that courage or sense of fearlessness to speak up and to be courageous to fight for the truth.
Si Ayo.
Para maiba lang tayo kasi alam naman natin na yung ngayon tayong lahat mga Pilipino, ang goal natin is yung maging maayos, yung good governance and transparency and everything. Pero para lang maiba, this is also about family, di ba? And forgiveness. So, if we always just try to look at the good side of, minsan mahirap magpatawad talaga, lalo na rin pag pamilya mo. Pero lahat naman nag-uumpisa sa bahay, sa pamilya, di ba? So, lahat tayo may mga kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang problema, pero kung magbubukas lang yung mga puso natin at mga isip natin, kung meron tayong mga issues na dapat isolve sa pamilya, huwag tayong matakot na gumawa ng paraan na sakaling magkaroon ng healing, yung ganun, yung sa pamilya. Kasi naniniwala ako na everything starts at home. So kung maayos tayo lahat as a family, as a small unit, pwedeng maging maayos ang community, ang bansa, lahat. So, alam ko naman gets niyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko, but this is also about family and forgiveness.
So sa akin, kasi, ay, umiyak. Hindi, charing lang. Fresh. Kasi syempre ang fresh ng director. Fresh yung mga cast. Okay na, Char, frequent. Char. Hindi, so, fresh talaga kasi everything is fresh. From the director, to the story, tsaka yung cast. Who would have thought na, syempre, iba-iba kaming lahat, diba? So, parang hindi naman talaga kami nagsasama-sama, pero napagsama-sama ni Direk. So, ayun, so fresh yung directorial niya, fresh yung mga cast niya. I mean, yung casting-wise ha, at saka fresh yung kissing scene nilang dalawa na dapat sa amin. So, pakipamalita na lang na panoorin nila sa October 2 sa Netflix at saka sana paki-chismis na lang din na kami talaga dapat ni Direk yun. Thank you.
7.
I have 2 words. So, one is, it's a roller coaster. Grabe, alam mo yung isang beses tense ako, tapos biglang nai-inlove ako. Hindi ko nga imagine na parang, ako ba yun? Ako ba yung kasi ni Alden Richards? Parang hindi naman. Pero, yun, tapos biglang maawa ako. And then, my second would be, it's hopeful, you know? I mean, sa panahon ngayon, hindi pwedeng mawala tayo ng pag-asa, kumbaga. Kasi pag nawala tayo ng pag-asa, mawawala na lahat eh. So, pag may pag-asa tayo, kaya pa natin ipaglaban to. Diba? Matatapos din to. At makukuha din natin yung justice na gusto natin, na kailangan ng bansa natin. So, ayun po.
Yes, ako po, one word, resolute, let's say. Resolute or resilient. This film is very resilient. It will stand the test of time. This film is gonna be put to the records, and kahit anong generation mo siya panoorin, I think it would be relevant all the time. Because like what I've said, the battle for justice and the truth is every day. It's never ending. Kahit man yan sa sarili natin, with our family, with our friends, with our society, and especially with national issues. It's every day. We have to always fight and find the truth. Dahil wag po tayo magpakulong sa stigma na yung mga tao behind lawmaking or the ones that implements the rules are the ones in control of the truth. That is never true. Ang katotohanan po palagi ang lagi nating hanapin sa ating buhay. May it be personal or may it be outside of your personal lives. Kasi mas masarap pong mabuhay sa mundong to ng totoo ka sa lahat ng bagay. Sa sarili mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, and sa field na pinili mong gawin. So with this film, hopefully, we can encourage people to always fight and find the truth every day.
Yes.